Open it up. Wind, close it. Okay, hey, oh wow, it's recording. Hey, what is up? It's your girl Birah Boo, aka Birah on a Budget. I'm back with another video, okay, where we talk about self-development, we talk about beauty, fashion, we talk about it all, sis, okay? Welcome. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. If you are returning and you are a part of the family, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe, okay, and turn on your post notifications so you know that every time every time that I upload, okay, y'all. I am excited. I am excited about this new year. I'm excited about 2021, okay? You want to ask me why? Do you want to ask me why? Because sis, I am going to be consistent, okay? I am going to be confident, okay? And I'm going to be in my bag this year, okay? Period. I don't care what they doing over there in DC. I don't care what the coronavirus doing. I know what Birah doing. I know what Birah Boo doing, okay? Growing and flourishing, all right? So, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am doing a fashion video. Yes, I said fashion video, okay? In today's video, remember we on a budget, so I had to go shopping, y'all. I had to do a little haul. I had to do a little haul in my closet. Yes, I said in my closet because I don't have any spending money. I don't have any haul money. No money for the haul. So I decided to put a couple outfits together for you so I can show you, okay, how to finesse. Okay, it's winter time, it's super cold. All I got is crop tops, I got some long sleeves and stuff like that. I'm gonna show y'all how I mix it up, okay, how I put an outfit together, okay? Now listen, this is my own personal style. You don't have to like it, and that's perfectly fine. If you don't like it, you can just leave my channel. You know, I'm not gonna have any hard feelings or anything like that. But if you love my outfits, my style, if you love all of it, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Say, yes, sis, okay? Like, leave your own personal comment. I see you in the comments, okay? And I'll definitely acknowledge you in my next video, okay? All right, so let me go ahead and get right into this video, y'all, because I'm super excited. I got all these pieces ready for you. I'm doing TikToks, so TikTok might see it first, maybe. I haven't decided yet. Anyways, let's go ahead and get right into the video, y'all. This is about to be lit, period. Periana, okay? All right, so I have on my first outfit. All right, so this is the first outfit. Now, I should have took a picture of this before I put it on so you could see the pieces separately. But this is a jumpsuit that I have on, a red jumpsuit, and then I have on a black and white or a grayish crop top. And okay, listen, this is like a summer type outfit, but I threw on like a turtleneck on top of it, okay, so that, you know, it's covered here, because this part is opened. Like, I'm gonna show it to y'all when I take it off, but it's opened. And y'all, can you just get appreciation for the detail? Like, look at that. Oh, y'all, I can't wait to show y'all because I'm super excited. But anyways, okay, look. All right, so this is my business outfit, okay? Let's go ahead and get my purse. Get my purse, okay? Get my purse. Get my purse. Yes, ma'am. Okay, hold on. Let's, okay. Let me walk back and forth. Let's get back. Let's get back. I'm gonna take some more pictures, y'all, but I'm just showing out. I'm just showing out. Hold on. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, into the detail. This is my favorite jacket that I got from Express. Okay? Look at the detail, okay? Now look at the arms. This is my favorite. This is like my favorite blazer. So I'm just gonna throw this on top. And I don't even have to put it on all the way. Like, I can just stunt like this. Like, I'm going to work. I'm putting in work. Okay, I can hang it off my shoulder. Hold on. Hang it off my shoulder so you can see the detail. Like, y'all, I'm hype off this outfit. But let me go ahead and put it on so y'all can see how this all would flow together. All right, so this is a little outfit I put together from my my closet, and I love it. Like, you can button it up. Like, hold on, let's button it up for her. I'll button it up for y'all. Button it up, it look like this. Look at the collar. Get into the collar. Get into the collar. Okay, can you zoom in? Okay. But yeah, you can wear it like that, but I don't wear it like that, so I'm wearing like this. Okay. Let me do a little spin for you. Almost fell, but it's all right. Okay, open it up, close it, open it up, close it, open it up, wind, wind, close it, open, close, open. Let's go ahead and get this purse. Purse. Okay, pose for the one time. Yes, ma'am. I will go anywhere with this outfit. This is definitely a work outfit for me. My main, you know, at my own corporate job. I mean, like my own business. I wouldn't go into like, you know, Wells Fargo or something like that dressed like this. There's nothing wrong with it. It ain't. But I mean, I feel like True Jackson VP. Like, I'm True Jackson VP, but I'm actually the P, the president, you know? But yeah, so I mean, this is a little outfit I got, you know, a little put together. These are my little Steve Madden heels, you know? Okay. So check the description box out for the details of each outfit, okay? All right, but this ain't it. This ain't it. It's not the end. Okay, we just getting started. Okay, we just getting started. Okay. All right. So my next outfit is this little. You know, I tried to be a little creative with this one. Little creative outfit. This is the kind of outfit that I would go on at like an excursion, or you know, go traveling and such. Something like that in the tropics. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. So this is my little travel outfit or whatever. This is what it looks like, you know. Yeah, so you know, I just put this little thing together, something cute, some little cute here, the little shoes, got a little red moment down here, you know, got a little color contrast, you know, little ombre, you know. And then you can like pull this up and you can just, you know, hit it with the side motion. Hit it with the side, like, oh, look at my butt. Hold on. Let me stop. But, you know, hit it with the side motion, or you can just, you know, hit it like this. Y'all, my head being cut off in this entire video, it's very much giving me Wizard Kelly. It's very much giving me headless. No. Just do a little something like this, you know. I mean, I probably wouldn't wear it like that. You know, I'll probably do a little something like this, you know, got the little different. Ooh, it's different. It's different. Plus I'm short, so, you know, these pants are on the ground. But if I pull them up, ooh. Hey. Let me see you walk. Let me stop. It's giving me Destiny's Child. It's giving me, I don't know. It's giving me SZA. Like, it's giving me Kehlani. So the top is a crop top. The bottoms are like, you know, bell bottom type pants. I got these from Pretty Little Things. This is from Pretty Little Thing. This is from Express. Okay, this shirt, blouse is from Express. This belt is from Pretty Little Things. And these shoes are Steve Madden. These are the same shoes I had on last time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.